What up with the family? We are out here. Gonna get ready to make it happen in Little Rock. About to get our hog on this morning. We see everybody is out ready to make things happen. We got the cranes hanging. And our goal is to start setting pans. We got one welder here. We got 4 welders here today. Them 3. Plus we starting it. A lot of work to do. See all them Nelson studs, they put them on the beams before they send them out here. Trying to do them out here would be a pain in the butt. But it's nice. We up here getting our hog on, family. Is it spooking you looking at it? Oh, it ain't nothing to it. About to get our hog on, family. We in Little Rock, Arkansas. Black Phoenix.